Hi everyone. Today we will begin our class by exploring the fundamental of academic research in IT and computer science, including the importance, the process, ethics, and real-world applications in solving user problems. The following are the topics that you will study in this semester. So the first one is the introduction to academic research in IT and computer science. By the end of this lesson, right, the learning outcomes will focus on understanding academic research including its definition, the importance in IT and computer science, and the application of ethics in academic integrity in research work. Students are also expected to explain the research process and the role of technology in solving user problems, as well as differentiate between various types of IT, information technology, computer science projects, and systems. What is academic research? Academic research is a systematic investigation that is carried out to discover new knowledge, solve problems, or improve existing solutions through structured and scientific methods. In the field of IT and computer science, research is primarily focuses on addressing real-world problems by applying logical and evidence-based approaches. It also aims to enhance and improve existing technologies, that is to make them more effective and efficient while supporting the development of innovative systems and applications. In addition to that, research also plays a key role in improving efficiency and security, as you can see, in computing environments, as well as supporting or providing better support for users and organizations in meeting their digital needs. Characteristics of academic research. The good research should be systematic, objective, organized, evidence-based, ethical, and problems-oriented. This means the research must follow proper step-by-step procedures, which is focusing on facts rather than personal opinions. And you have to be well planned and structured. Research findings should be supported by reliable evidence, such as data, journals, or experiments. Researchers also must follow ethical practices by avoiding plagiarism, respecting privacy, and presenting honest results. Most importantly, research should focus on solving real-world problems and providing useful solutions for users or organizations. That's the most important thing. Now, why is research important? Research plays an important role in improving systems and applications by making them more efficient, reliable, and user-friendly, while also helping to solve real-world user and business problems through evidence-based solutions. It supports the creation of innovative technologies that drive digital advancements and enhances productivity and also the efficiency in various organizational processes. Now, in addition to that, research also strengthens cybersecurity and privacy to protect data and also systems from threats, and it also contributes significantly to digital transformation across industries. So in IT and computer science, the key research areas include AI, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, mobile applications, cloud computing, data analytics, and the Internet of Things, all of which continue to shape modern technology and future innovations. Let's look at some simple real world problems and how technology can help us solve them. For example, when we have long queues, we can use an online booking system so users can reserve their slots in advance and avoid waiting too long. For manual attendance, we can replace it with a QR attendance system where students can just scan a code to record their presence quickly and accurately. When communication is poor, we use mobile communication apps like messaging platforms that can make it faster and easier for people to stay connected. For security threats, AI-based security system can help detect and prevent risk more effectively. And for online learning issues, e-learning platforms provide a more organized, flexible, and accessible way for students to learn anytime and anywhere. Ethics in research refers to the moral principles and professional standards that can guide researchers in conducting their studies responsibly and with integrity. Students must also ensure that they are honest when reporting findings, should avoid any form of data manipulation or misinterpretation. It is also important for you to avoid plagiarism by acknowledging the original authors of ideas and should be properly citing all sources using valid references. Respecting copyright laws is very important, very significant to ensure that intellectual property is not misused. In addition to that, also, researchers must protect user privacy and data by handling information securely and ethically. Last but not least, all researchers' work should be original, should demonstrate the student's own understanding, analysis, and contribution to knowledge. Academic misconduct refers to unethical behaviors that violate academic integrity and standards in education. For example, include copying of other people's work without permission, or fabricating or falsifying research data using fake or unreliable references, submitting assignments that are copied from others, and misusing AI-generated content as if it were original work. These actions actually compromise the quality and credibility of academic work and are strictly discouraged. In contrast, good academic practices involve proper citations and referencing to acknowledge original authors, the ethical use of information from credible sources, independent learning to develop one's own understanding, and responsible use of AI tools are supportive learning aids rather than replacement for original thinking and effort. The role of technology in solving problems. Now, technology plays an important role in improving the way users work, the way they learn and communicate by automating manual processes that reduce human effort and errors. It also helps save both time and cost by streamlining tasks and increasing operational efficiency. In addition to that, technology improves communication by enabling faster and more effective interaction through digital platforms and tools. It is also increases accuracy by reducing mistakes in data handling and processing while supporting better decision making through timely access to reliable information. Furthermore, technology provides convenient online access to various services that allow users to perform activities anytime and anywhere with greater flexibility. If you can see, the traditional methods are increasingly being replaced. Yeah, you see from the table, being replaced by modern technology solutions that improve efficiency, accuracy, and also convenience. For example, paper forms are now being substituted with online forms that allows data to be collected faster, stored digitally, and easily retrieved, right, without physical paperwork. Similarly, for cash payments, are gradually being replaced by e-wallet systems, which enable secure, cashless, and more convenient transaction using mobile devices. In addition to that, also you can see manual record keeping is also being transformed through cloud databases where information can be stored, updated, and accessed in real time from anywhere. So these technologies solutions not only reduce human error, but you can see it also enhances speed, improves security, and the overall productivity in daily operations. Now, understanding user needs is a fundamental step, is important step before proposing or developing any system, as this will ensure that the solution is relevant, is practical, and is effective. Researchers must carefully identify the specific problems faced by users, examine the limitations of existing systems, and understand what users truly expect from a new solutions. Now, this process also involves determining the required improvements that can enhance usability, efficiency, and overall user experience. By gaining a clear understanding of these factors, developers can design systems that are more aligned with real-world needs and deliver meaningful value. Now, this is the process, the research process. You can see that there are 7 steps. These are the steps that you will be following for you to be able to conduct the whole entire or attend the whole entire academic research. For step 1, you will have to identify research problem, followed by step 2, literature review. Step 3, define the objectives. Step 4, select research methodology. Step 5, system design and development. Step 6, testing and evaluation. And step 7, conclusion and recommendation. But for this academic research course, you just finish off until research methodology, right? System design and development. Step 5, step 6, and step 7 will be done in final year project. Now, in these slides, common types of IT and CS projects, software systems are widely used in various industries to manage operations more efficiently, right, and accurately. Now, for example, student management systems help educational institutions handle student records, attendance, grades, and academic information in an organized way. Whereas inventory systems are used by businesses to track stock levels, manage products, and reduce wastage or shortages. In the healthcare sector, hospital management systems support the management of patient records, appointments, billing, and medical services. This will ensure smoother operations and better service delivery. And in addition to the software systems, mobile and web applications have become essential tools in modern digital services. For example, mobile applications such as health monitoring apps help users track their fitness, right, and well-being, while reminder applications assist in managing daily tasks and schedules. Delivery applications make it easier for users to order and receive goods conveniently. Now, the following are examples of IT research for education, healthcare, business, security, smart technologies. So these are some of the examples of research that you can refer and improve the system, the existing system. Now, these are the emerging technology projects we can see on AI. They have chatbots, image recognition system, recommendation systems, cybersecurity. They have a threat detection system, security authentication systems for Internet of Things, smart homes, smart agriculture systems, smart cities, smart dustbin, right, for cloud computing, cloud storage system, online collaboration platforms, and etc. Now, how to choose a good research topic, right? You can choose projects that can solve real user problems that are achievable within the given time. Match your interests and the skills. If you don't have the interest and you don't have the skills, then please avoid. You must have a clear objectives of what need to be done and provide benefits to the users in the end. You should avoid overly broad topics, so don't be too ambitious. You should avoid also unrealistic systems, and you should avoid also projects without clear problems. Very important for you to follow this. Now, these are some activities that you can do in groups. Number one, identify one real problem, identify target users. You can suggest one IT or CS solution and explain expected benefits. Some key message: research in IT and computer science should focus on solving real user problems using technology. Some questions and discussion that is good to consider. The technology becomes meaningful when it improves people's life. Now you can discuss this and come back to us in the next class. Now, if you have any question, you can email me. Thank you.